Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 4, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to Contacts application, then tap on three dots here, go to its settings, then go to Contacts, select Import Export Contacts, then select Import from SIM card because that's what we're gonna do today. Then select Where to our device, of course. So here you can select the contacts one by one or just select them all by tapping here and then tap Done. And after that, all these contacts will appear on your device. So as you can see, like one of them is in my SIM storage and another one is on my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.